breaking the wall of renewable energy supply. Michael Richter, Falling Walls Lab, Austria.
Energy supply at any time and any place. Just switch it on and off. We all take it for granted, but it's not, especially with renewable energy. By 2030, Europe will produce 5,300 terawatt-hours of renewable energy. To give you a better idea, this means 2,650 Danube hydropower plants. It's a lot, but the real problem is that renewable energy supply and demand are very imbalanced in time and place. Therefore, most of the produced energy out of wind, solar, or hydropower needs to be stored or transported. The key is a trans-European network connecting supply and demand regions. This network already exists today in the form of a 200,000-kilometer natural gas pipeline network. So how do we reuse this natural gas pipeline network in a decarbonized future? With hydrogen from renewable electricity. It can be produced locally, stored for the long term, and easily transported in pipelines. To use the hydrogen, a certain purity is required. But how to deal with impurities present in the repurposed natural gas grid? To break this wall of renewable energy supply, we don't need a hammer. Just this thin membrane. Only a few microns in width, but effective enough to block all substances except hydrogen and water. The membrane is the heart of an electrochemical hydrogen purification cell. By applying a current, hydrogen and water are transported through the membrane. All the impurity substances stay on the left side of the membrane. With this device, hydrogen can not only be purified, but also be compressed by simply adding a valve at the outlet. By compressing hydrogen, much more energy can be stored in the same volume. This stored energy can then be used in various applications in the industry, mobility, or the energy sector. With the electrochemical hydrogen purification and compression, you can easily switch on and off your renewable energy supply at any time and any place. Thank you very much.